zucchinis, hi! Today I'm going to make, this is a zucchini, so I'm going to make grilled zucchini spears with some beautiful, delicious turkey patties with tzatziki sauce on the side today. Okay, so for all of you foodies out there, this is what I've done. I've taken this zucchini, and it's a big zucchini, and I've cut the ends off it, and then I'm gonna cut them in half like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut the half into half, and then I'm going to just cut it into some spears like this, just like this, and then onto our grill we're going to go. Okay, and our grill is sizzling, it's hot already. That's our grill beeping, telling us that it's ready to go. And we're just gonna get these on here. And in a couple of minutes, I'm gonna season these. This one here, I think I'll cut this one in half again. There we go. All right. And we got our zucchinis going here, and I've got the other half. I'm going to cut this one. And we'll get these on this grill. Just like this.
Looks beautiful.
It's nice and green, everybody, huh? Okay, and then we got a few more here I've got to cut. This was, like I said, this was a pretty good sized zucchini, so there we go. And he all fit on this side, just perfect. Right, so what we're going to do with this zucchini is I am going to give it a little olive oil. I have some olive oil here, just like this. I think today a little lemon pepper will get mayonnaise. Here, I've got some mayo here. Full fat mayo, avocado mayo, there's olive oil mayo, there's light mayonnaise, right? There's all these different kinds of mayonnaises. And you know, the regular mayonnaise, a lot of people love only the regular mayonnaise. It's made with oil, sometimes soybean or canola oil, the egg yolks, the vinegar, lemon juice. It's the classic choice that people use for sandwiches, salads, and when they make dips. Okay, then we got olive oil mayo, and we've got, this is avocado mayo. And avocado mayo and olive oil mayo, okay, have all of the goodness and things in them. It's a fat source, it's avocado. It has a slightly different flavor than
it's richer. It's rich.
It's richer, but it also, you're getting better benefits from these kinds of oils, okay? So avocado mayo, it has monosaturated fats. They're really heart healthy, and it's like the olive oil one, which has the same idea, monosaturated fats. Then there's full fat mayo over here. This is full, you know, they all look the same because they got eggs in there and there's oil doing it, right? The oil. And it's, the full fat has fatty acids, and it supports your whole health, your whole body health, okay? And if you take vitamins, it might help support fat-soluble vitamins, okay? Alrighty, so if you use that. And the light mayonnaise is made in a lighter fashion with different fillers they put in, and all of things like that.
Well, look at the people in Italy and Greece, how long they're living on the...
And they're eating a lot of olive oil and avocados, and they eat things that makes your heart healthy,
and
right?
And they're living
everybody?
to 100.
Yeah, some live to 100, right, everybody? So always remember, if you need... Moderation is your goal also, okay?
I want to look at these zucchini. Oh my God.
Oh, look at our zucchinis, how they're going.
Looking really good.
We're going to let these cook here for a while, everybody. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back. And after they're cooked, I'll flip them over here in a little bit. I'm going to flip them. And then we're going to come back and we're going to make turkey patties that we're going to serve today with tzatziki, Greek tzatziki sauce, which is basically yogurt, olive oil, garlic, some dill, a little salt, pepper if you like, and that will do the job. And that is Greek tzatziki with a cucumber in there that's been diced with no seeds, very thin or grated cucumber, okay? All right, so we'll see you after a while, and we'll show you how these get cooked, and then we're gonna make some turkey patties over here on our grill on this side, and we will go from there. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. Remember, we've got zucchini grilling, we've got mayonnaise going, we make sandwiches, we make tzatziki, we do all kinds of things here at Carpizzo's Kitchen, and you know what?
Why do we do it?
Because we're all riding on this culinary bus, the bus that we travel on for good health, because we cook, eat, and enjoy. So this is Peter Carpizzo's. As always, we'll see you in a bit as we continue cooking on the grill. Out.